Welcome to the Daily Quiz Podcast. Today's category is Science and Nature. Let's get to it. Question 1. What leaves form the majority of a koala's diet? Is it A. Bamboo, B. Lavender, C. Peppermint, or D. Eucalyptus? The answer is D. Eucalyptus.
Koalas are nature's picky eaters, munching on eucalyptus leaves almost exclusively. These leaves are low in nutrients and toxic to most animals, but koalas have a specialized digestive system with a long cecum that breaks down the toxins. They even nap up to 20 hours a day to conserve energy.
Question 2. Who invented the steam engine? Is it A. Marcus Steam, B. Eli Whitney, C. James Watt, or D. Benjamin Franklin? The answer is C. James Watt.
James Watt didn't invent the steam engine but revolutionized it. His enhancements in the 1760s, like the separate condenser, dramatically improved efficiency and power. This innovation fueled the Industrial Revolution, transforming industries and transportation. Watt's name became synonymous with power measurement, hence Watt is a unit of power today.
Question 3. What is the result of the mathematical expression fourscore and 19? Is it A. 23, B. 49, C. 59, or D. 99? The answer is D. 99.
The term fourscore is an old-fashioned way of saying 80, with score meaning 20. Abraham Lincoln famously used it in the Gettysburg Address, 407 years ago. Adding 19 to fourscore gives you 99, a number that also happens to be the atomic number of Einsteinium.
Question 4. A female goat is known as what? Is it A. a lioness, B. a sow, C. a hen, or D. a nanny? The answer is D. a nanny.
In the world of goats, a female is affectionately called a nanny. These social creatures are known for their playful antics and curious nature. Nannies are excellent mothers, often forming strong bonds with their kids. Interestingly, goats have rectangular pupils, giving them a wide field of vision to spot predators.
Question 5. What is the gestation period of an Asian elephant? Is it A. 16 months, B. 20 months, C. 12 months, or D. 24 months? The answer is B. 20 months.
The Asian elephant holds the record for the longest gestation period of any land animal, lasting about 20 months. This extended pregnancy allows the calf to develop fully, emerging with a weight of around 220 pounds. Remarkably, these gentle giants can recognize themselves in mirrors, a sign of high intelligence.
Question 6. What chemical compound makes limestone? Is it A. calcium magnesium carbonate, B. calcium carbonate, C. deuterium oxide, or D. sodium bicarbonate? The answer is B. calcium carbonate.
Limestone, primarily composed of calcium carbonate, has been a silent witness to history. The Great Pyramid of Giza is clad in this mineral marvel. Over millions of years, marine organisms' shells and skeletons accumulated on ocean floors, eventually transforming into the limestone that now stands as one of humanity's greatest architectural achievements.
Question 7. What celestial object was the first for humankind to set foot on? Is it A. the moon, B. the sun, C. Halley's Comet, or D. Mars? The answer is A. the moon.
On July 20, 1969, Neil Armstrong became the first human to set foot on the moon during NASA's Apollo 11 mission. His iconic words, "That's one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind," were broadcast to an estimated 600 million people worldwide, making it a defining moment in space exploration history.
Question 8. What is the word for a young bird? Is it A. a poult, B. an owlet, C. a bunny, or D. a chick? The answer is D. a chick.
In the avian world, a chick isn't just any young bird, it's a term that covers a wide range of species, from tiny hummingbirds to majestic eagles. Interestingly, some chicks are born precocial, ready to explore the world almost immediately, while others are altricial and require extensive parental care.
As we orbit out of today's quiz, remember, in the universe of knowledge, curiosity is your gravity. Stay curious and keep exploring. I'm Montgomery Jones.
And I'm Amalia Dupre. Until tomorrow, farewell. This episode is produced by Classic Studios. See the show notes page for sources and credits. Check out our other podcasts in our network at classicstudios.com.